Pink is my favorite color, if you have not noticed it by now. And today is a very important day for the pink history, because today I have received my package from Brad Mondo with his new XMONDO color. And you can probably guess the color that I went with. No, not super blue. It's super pink. If you've seen my video where I first dyed my hair pink, I used this punky color from Amazon. It retails for about $7 and it stayed in my hair pretty well. I have been washing my hair out for a couple weeks now, so this is what I'm working with. A lot of my front pieces are not as pink anymore. There is just a slight tint of pink left. This is what it looks like from the back, and as you can tell, it does not look the healthiest right now. So I'm really hoping that that mask will do miracles, because it is supposed to be a healing color. And I also do have some, cool ideas for what I want to do with those. And since I don't want to cut my hair yet, this is the hair that I have started with. I had a lot of my natural hair there still before I put the original pink on there, and this is what we have now to work with. And again, I'm really excited, because as soon as I found out that he made a pink color, I had to try it. I'm gonna go change into something that I don't mind getting pink. I'm gonna remove all the rugs in here and anything else that can be pinkified. No matter how much I like pink, it would still not be great to get the pink stains everywhere. So I'll prepare all that and I will see you in a bit. Here's the box that it came in, except, the giant hole where my address used to be. Now let's see what's inside. That's cool. All right, we got the XMONDO box. It looks like the card has all of the colors that you can dye your hair. Stickers. I think that was like a free gift that I got with it. And finally, here is the color. So freaking cool. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's so sparkly. Ta-da! We probably have to have a plan before we go into this. And here is the best plan ever. I'm going to put the majority of my hair up. I'm going to let a little bit down, put some color in them, and twist-a-rooney them. Let's just watch. Now I just want to make sure that my whole head is saturated very well, so I'm just going to use a little bit more of the product and go over the top of the strands. Probably shouldn't rub them so much, but just like that. That looks pretty saturated to me. And the last part, I'm going to brush through the hair very gently to distributulate it. I will now go clean up my face, especially. I will let this sit on my head for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll put a bag on so that the color takes on better. By the way, I managed to only get the mess on myself and my shirt. There's no mess anywhere in the sink or anything like that, and I've only used this much. So really not that much, still have a whole bunch left. I just wanted to do a little update. I don't know if you can see it really well or not, but I feel like the color became so much brighter as I'm about to wash it off. I feel like it wasn't as bright as I was putting it on, and now it's so much brighter, which is awesome for me. Are you ready for the reveal? I definitely am. There we go. This is what the color turned out like. It is super pink. And let me show you the back. So that's what it looks like. I think it is super cute. It is definitely very pink. It is a warm shade of pink as well, which I think matches my skin tone a lot better than the other one did. My hair definitely feels a lot softer than it did from the other one, although I feel like the other one also wasn't too bad on my hair. It was pretty soft after that one. From the XMONDO, they do feel more conditioned and softer, especially even after curling, which is very surprising. I will definitely keep using this one, and maybe I will mix this one with just a little bit of the previous one I had. Brad, don't be mad, because I feel like it will give me a color that is in between this one and the one I had before. I don't know, I'm just gonna, you know, experiment and see what it turns out like. But yeah, like I said, I still have a ton of it left in here. Yeah, I barely used anything. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. Let me know down below if you like the color or if you have any suggestions for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!